This video is exclusively for males, especially for those who have the courage to hear the truth. What I am about to share might seem harsh to some and may even invite hate in the comments, but I am determined to expose how the concept of the Sigma male has been distorted by influencers and social media. The reality of Sigma males. The truth is, Sigma males are incredibly unique and rare. Only about 0.1% of men can genuinely be classified as Sigma males. However, thanks to social media, the concept has become so overused that almost everyone has started labeling themselves as a Sigma male. If you think you are one, let me clarify something. Many people don't even understand what a real Sigma male truly is. Old male archetypes. Traditionally, men were divided into two categories: alpha males and beta males. Beta males, followers who obediently carry out orders without question. Alpha males, leaders who rule with high confidence, strong leadership abilities, and a no-nonsense attitude. As society evolved, people realized that there's a third category of men who don't fit into the alpha or beta roles. This led to the creation of the us Sigma males category. These men possess all the qualities of an alpha but choose not to lead. Similarly, they may appear silent like betas, but never follow anyone. They live in their own world, creating their own path. Sigma males in power, hierarchies. In any power hierarchy, alpha males have always been at the top, with beta males following them. But where do Sigma males fit in this hierarchy? The answer is, they don't. Sigma males create their own hierarchy, where they stand alone, with no one around them. For instance, in the wild, the alpha lion is considered the king and commands respect. However, there's also the Sigma tiger, equally feared, yet independent, operating outside the lion's kingdom. Similarly, in a wolf pack, the leader is the alpha wolf. But the lone wolf, wandering alone, is a Sigma male. Sigma males rely entirely on their individuality. Even when they face challenges, they stand strong, completely self-reliant. Myths about Sigma males. One common misconception is that becoming a Sigma male is something you can fake. Many people pretend to be Sigma males. They spend their days in their rooms playing video games, procrastinating on their goals. Some even avoid speaking to people and act like they are ignoring others, but in reality, they lack confidence. A real Sigma male never boasts about being a Sigma. Just like a tiger in the jungle, it doesn't roar to seek validation. The alpha lion automatically respects it, knowing the tiger's strength. Key traits of a Sigma male. 1. Gender neutrality and respect. Sigma males don't believe in oppressing others, whether it's women, children, or weaker individuals. Such behavior is a sign of weakness, not strength. They respect everyone equally, male or female, and never dominate anyone unnecessarily. 2. Resilience. Sigma males are highly resilient. No matter how challenging the situation, they maintain composure. The most successful person is one who remains balanced in moments of happiness and sorrow. 3. Action-oriented. Sigma males believe in actions, not words. They listen, observe, and act decisively, rather than engaging in unnecessary arguments or debates. 4. Independent thinkers. They don't seek inspiration from others or follow anyone blindly. Their greatest source of motivation is themselves and their life experiences. 5. Silence is power. A Sigma male values peace and silence over noise. They're not interested in proving themselves to others. Their power lies in their actions, not in loud speeches or self-promotion. Why you should embrace the Sigma male mindset. If you want to live an extraordinary life, you need to shed the beta male mindset and work on developing true Sigma qualities. This doesn't mean pretending or seeking external validation. It's about self-improvement, resilience, and focusing on your goals relentlessly. A Sigma male hunts his goals with a determination that doesn't waver until success is achieved. Avoid distractions, whether it's meaningless parties or unnecessary social gatherings. Sigma males value their time and focus only on what matters to them. Conclusion. To truly embody the Sigma male mindset, remember, Silence is power, and actions speak louder than words. Focus on self-improvement and live a life where your individuality becomes your greatest strength. Stop seeking external validation. Instead, let your actions define who you are. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos.